Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. In this video, we are going to discuss very important update about TCS work from home. Work from home has been extended till which date? And is it official update or not? So first of all, work from home has been extended till 31st of December 2021. And now is it official update or not? For few employees, it is showing in SBWS that work from home has been extended till 31st of December. But for others, it is showing till 30th of September 2021 only. You can check is it officially announced for you or not by following this way. First go to Ultimatics, then GESS, and then go to Profile, and then SBWS. And there you will be able to find that if your work from home has been extended till 31st of December or not. And if in SBWS NDA is approved till 31st of December, then you have nothing to worry. Your work from home has been already extended. But others also, for which it is showing till 31st of September, also don't need to worry because it may be updated anytime. And you should be aware that TCS chairman is also saying that 80 to 90% of workforce will be back to office by the end of the year or in January 2022. Whatever may be the condition, you must be sure that you will celebrate Diwali at home, because they are not going to end your work from home before Diwali as expected. However, this is not official at all, but you can assume because work from home has already ended on 30th of September. If you go as per previous official notification, but still they are not calling employees to office, so you can expect that there will be certainly extension in work from home. And if there is extension in work from home, then certainly it should be at least 2 months. And if there is extension of 2 months in work from home, then you will definitely celebrate this Diwali at your home. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IT India. And as soon as there comes any official update about work from home, I will certainly update you about the same.